Hello everyone, this is Forex again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have brought you another video. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification, and share this video, comment, tap on the like button so that you don't miss any video I'll be posting on this channel. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how we kill the market. So guys, today's video I'm going to show you how I analyze the market with price action combination with support and resistance. Make sure you don't miss this setup, this analysis, and don't forget to join our free community where we share free quality signals every day. So we have like 20k profitable traders in our community. Make sure you join us and don't forget to use our recommended broker FPS. The link is under this video, and we have a lot of vibes in our community. We do giveaways, challenges, a lot. So make sure you join us so you don't miss out. I share tips, trading tips, how we analyze the market. I share free setups, tips, and more. And make sure you watch this video until the end, so it will help you to sharpen your skill whether you're a beginner. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So let's kick off our video for analysis. So hello guys, so today's video we are going to start with learning how price action and support and resistance. So we are going to start and check how the resistance level be and the support level be. So let's start our video. So we are going to start with the support. Let's see. So let's see. Okay guys, as you can see. Okay, all right, so we have this key level. Yeah, all right, so we have even this. So we are going to start with, let's name our, we have what we call support and resistance. Support and resistance. Support and what? And resistance. Let's name it here. And resistance. Let's check out here. Okay, so we have what we call the resistance, support and resistance. So guys, as you can see here, we have what this keyword we have here what we call the resistance level. Let's name it here. We have this, we call it resistance level. This line here, as you can see, we call it resistance. So we have this, what we call the support level. We have what we call support here, this down line here. So this key level we call it support, and this key level we call it resistance. As you can see, the price can come here. What? Let's see. So the price can come here and here and bounce back and reverse on the support, again on the resistance level, again on the support, again like this. As you can see, again, that's what we call support and resistance. This level we call it resistance, and this level we call it the support level. Okay, so let's go and we see how the price be moving on the price action. So we are going to see the market, we are going to identify the market, we are going to identify the trend. Okay, we're going to identify the market trend. Okay, so let's identify the market trend. We are going to identify, let's mark here, identify the market trend. Identify. Okay, identify the trend. All right, identify the trend. So guys, we are going to identify the trend, as you can see guys. So we have this, what we call, it's true, we are identifying the market structure. Okay, we have this, and this. Okay, so we are identifying the uptrend. That's what we call it, the bullish trend. Okay, we call it the bullish trend. As you can see, we are going to identify the market trend, as you can see. So on the bullish trend, as you can see, on the bullish trend, we have what we call the higher high. Let us mark our zone higher high. As you can see, the higher highs. So we have what we call the higher high here. Still here, the higher high. Again, the higher high. Still, we are going slowly, but slowly we have to understand how to use the price action. So we have here our higher high again. So and down here on this level, on our support level, we have what we call the higher low. We have what we call the higher low. This higher low level, higher low. Okay, we have what we call the higher low level, higher low. So as you can see, make sure you mark well. Let us mark well our zones. We have the higher low level. So as you can see, that's what we call the bullish trend. Okay, the uptrend. We are identifying the market, and we have the what, the downtrend here. As you can see, we have the downtrend here. So we have the downtrend. Let's see, we call it the bearish trend. We have the bearish trend. We have what we call the bearish trend. So on the bearish trend, let us mark, we are identifying the what, the market. As you can see here, we have the bearish trend. So on the bearish trend, that's the downtrend. We have these zones. We call it the lower high and the lower low. Okay, lower highs and the lower low. Lower highs and the lower low. Lower highs, lower highs. So as you can see, we have the lower lows and the lower high. Still marking our zones on the lower highs, as you can see. So down here we call it lower low, lower low. As you can see guys, we have the lower lows here, these zones, and still we have the lower low here. Again, lower low here. We are still marking our zone lower low. So guys, this is what we call the bearish trend. That's the downtrend. On the bearish trend, we'll be looking for the what, for the sales positions. So, okay, so let's see. Okay guys, so we have this, what we call the bearish trend. So on the bearish trend, I told you the price can push here and reverse down to the lower low, again reverse to the lower highs, again down and push down, as you can see. So for me, as how I trade, so in the bearish trend, I have to do like this. So as you can see, the price can push here. So here I can see the rejections. I can see the market can respect the trend lines. So we push down here, me, I don't enter from these zones. I have to first wait for the reverse. Again, I enter here. Again, we push. Still, I have to enter only on the lower highs on the sell positions. Okay, I wait for. I don't enter because the price can push down, because in the downtrend will be with the more strong sales. The price can, in case, as you can see, let's go back and you see here. Let's push back and you see, as I told you, in why I take sell positions in the downtrends only. Why I take only sell positions. So the price can come here on the lower low and push to the lower high still, and push to the lower low. So for me, I have to first wait the price to push on the lower highs to go for sales here, because we'll be with the more strongs in the bearish trend. So I can't enter from here because the price can come and breaks our zones here, can break our support level and keep pushing down here. Okay, so for me, in the sell positions, I have to enter from the lower highs only. Okay, I enter only from these zones only. So they say it's the same on the bearish trend. Let me show you here. It's the same on the bearish what? On the bearish trend. So I do the same on the bullish trade, sorry, on the bullish trend, as you can see. So I do the same on the bullish trend. So the price can come and push to the higher highs, again to the higher low. So I have to enter from here if I see some rejections here, because if you draw well your lines, the price can respect your trend lines, and I can see here some rejections here, some candles here, and I see the rejections. Okay, so I have to go for a buy here. So from these zones, for me, I don't enter to do sales, to go for sales. No, because the price will be with the more pressure with the buyers. So the price can come and just break your zones here. So I have to first wait, because it can go push and come back here in the zones. I have to first wait for the higher lows here. Still I push, as you can see. I have to first wait for the higher lows, as you can see. So, and we have another what we call the ranging market. Let me show you what we call the ranging market. Okay, so we have this what we call the ranging market. Okay, so there are three types. Okay, we have this what we call the ranging market, or the consolidation. Okay, we call it consolidation. Okay, because me, I don't take any positions, because the market can come and push like this. This is what we call the ranging market here. I don't take it this, as you can see. Okay, the price can come and push and reverse, push. This is the ranging market. So some of you know it. So let's go and we check out on XAUUSD. Let's check out on XAUUSD. Hope you have understand. We have got we have identified our trend. Okay, so let's go check out on the market and we see. Let's go and we check out and we see. Okay, let's remove this. So let's go and we check out and we see. So we have gold. I'm going to check out on gold. So as you can see here, we have gold. We have gold here. As you can see, let's see. So let's remove this. So we have gold. So I can see gold is in the bearish trend. As you can see, I can just put here my support level here. So I can just put what? My support level in these zones here. Let's make it which color? Gray. So we can see gold here. So we can check out on gold here. We are seeing it in there bearish trend, as I told you. So we have our support level here. As you can see, we have our support level. We have this key, this is the support, this is the resistance. So gold is going in the bearish trend. That's what we call the downtrend. Okay, gold is in the downtrend, as you can see. So as you can see, we have these zones. We have this, gold is moving like this, as you can see. So we have this what we call the lower low here, these zones, and what we call the lower high still here, as you can see. Still lower low, again, as you can see, the lower lows. Again, we have the lower high. Let's mark our zones. Okay, again we have the lower highs. So as you can see, so let's pray and we see how it's moving. So gold, as you can see, gold has reached our lower highs and pushed down, as you can see, in push down. So as you can see here, we have got some rejection here. We have got some rejection and we push down. So still you can see we have pushed here to the lower highs. We have got this rejection on the lower highs here. So gold still, and we went up. As I told you, for me here, I have to just do what? To enter. If I see that rejection, I just go for what? For long, as you can see here. So if I see this rejection here, I have to take what? To go for long. Let's see. As I told you how we move. You can see this rejection here. So I have to go for long here. Let's see. You see how gold, we have got a rejection here and we move. Okay, as you can see. So again we are seeing our lower highs here. So again we have seen our lower highs here. So it's already, we have got our lower highs here, and still here we have our trend line. That's a must. We have to be respecting these zones. So still we have to go for what? For buyers. Okay, let's first check out. So as you can see here, let's go back and you see. So okay, so the price is here on the lower highs, still here on the lower highs. We have to get our confirmation because we have already our resistance level here. We have to get our confirmation here. Let's put this short. So still we have to go for sale. We have to go for sales down here, as you can see. Let's see how it's moving. So gold will be pushing down. This is the bearish trend. So let's see. As you can see, gold, it's a must. It has to respect our lower highs and reverse down to the lower low. Let's see. As you can see, it's a drop down, a big drop. Still, as you can see. So as you can see here, so gold went down deep, as I told you. So I told you last, you remember I told you, you remember what I told you. So if you enter sales from here, so if you enter sales, as you can see, if you enter sales from here, so you don't have to enter. As you can see, the price came and breaks our zones here, breaks our support level and continue pushing down. Okay,